Hi everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. 5 ways to boost or increase immunity for COVID-19. With the spread of the COVID-19, the whole world is fighting it together. Although there is no vaccination available so far, the best way to fight this pandemic is to stay away from it by taking precautions, building immunity, and abiding by the government regulations. Discussed below are 5 measures on how to increase immunity against COVID-19. 1. Take immunity-boosting foods and vitamins. One may include the following immunity-boosting foods for increasing immunity against coronavirus. Immunity-boosting vegetables like carrot, spinach, sweet potatoes, cantaloupes, dark leafy greens, tomato, asparagus, and broccoli. And immunity-boosting fruits like mango, citrus fruits, and strawberries. These fruits and vegetables contain vitamins A, C, D, and E, and minerals like magnesium, selenium, and zinc, that acts as an immunity-boosting vitamins. All the above foods are also immunity boosters for kids. 2. Take proper 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Sleeping well is one of the easiest ways to increase immunity for COVID-19. A human body naturally repairs and recovers, during sleep, from all the wear and tear. Not sleeping enough not only leaves the body tired and lethargic, but also reduces immunity to fight against viruses like COVID-19. 3. Drink up to 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. Staying hydrated is the best way to increase immunity to fight coronavirus, because it flushes out all the toxins from the body. Immunity booster drinks such as fresh fruit juices and coconut water, along with consuming enough water throughout the day, helps in keeping the body hydrated. 4. Don't skip these home workout exercises. Home workout exercises are another way of flushing out toxins from the body through sweat. Make sure not to skip exercises while staying home during the pandemic. Depending upon one's stamina and routine, some of the easy workout exercises that can be done at home may include rope skipping, push-ups, jogging on the spot, front plank, and forward lunges. 5. Practice these 3 steps. Staying indoors can be boring and stressful, and stress affects both the immune system and mental well-being. To build a good mental and emotional health, along with immunity test for COVID-19, follow these measures. Practice meditation. Meditation is a mindful exercise that relaxes the mind of all external chaos and distractions. A mere 10 minutes of meditation every day can make a big difference not only throughout the day, but also in life as a whole. A calm mind helps in better focus, better decisions, and builds a sound body. Avoid smoking and alcohol. Smoking and other substance abuse weakens the respiratory system, while alcohol reduces the immunity. This makes the body susceptible to catching the virus and being infected. Avoid non-essential traveling. Social distancing is key to fighting novel coronavirus, and hence avoiding non-essential travel will help in protecting oneself and others from the virus.